It's the 5th of July, and I'm not going to talk about everything today. It's just really interesting day. It looked like they tried to do a redirection here, and they really ambushed oil really hard right out of the gate, and they used those proceeds to buy the Qs. And I'm not just sure if it's just coming back from 2 days off and reversing the reversals of the reversals kind of thing. But I think the Yellen minutes were kind of dovish, which probably put a little pressure on oil anyway and gave the Qs a lift. But everything else is pretty flattish except a couple of interesting things. I have a big position in WPM, and they pushed this thing down pretty hard at the open, and we're up on it 0.5% today, which I thought was very interesting. We re-entered it on the signal. We bought AG2, but I set the stop too tight and got whacked. So I'm gonna look to re-enter that again. But I think the miners are telling us that their sell-off is probably has probably run its course. Nice little double bottom here too on AG. And then the thing that really excited me, because is that the grains didn't give anything back today, and corn took off today, even though they sold wheat down, soybeans up today, and I think this is the thing that will absolutely kill the Fed and kill the yen and all the games when food prices are going up, and you have to import food. It's going to really screw up the central bank's games, because that's what caused the Arab Spring. And people don't realize that we had in 2007, we had the rice issue. They had another issue in 2001. There was another issue in 1994. These things are all part of the climate cycle, and we're there again. And I think that super El Nino we had a year ago just kind of distorted things much farther than anybody expected in terms of just what happened in Russia and Ukraine. And now they're sucking wind, and the U.S. is sucking wind, and Australia is sucking wind, and I think it's going to have an impact. The more and more we go into summer here, I think we're going to find that the ags aren't doing so hot. And so when I mean that way, I mean actual products. You'll see the prices move higher. So we're doing our buy and trim, DBA and JJG. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get back into a full position here. This is where I have it for the next buyback. And then DBA, we're full position right now, so I'm not going to screw with it at the moment. But if it pushes up to 2050, 2060 area, then I'll take half off. It's looking good too. And when food starts to move, I'll tell you what, it will freak the Feds out, because they had to stop their games last time because they were melting down Egypt and Tunisia and some of those countries that import everything, and their dollar-denominated economies. So, but anyway, we'll wait and see what happens tomorrow. The oil reports tomorrow, natural gas reports tomorrow. I'll see if the Qs have any lift to it, and I'm in the day now. I'm long oil, I'm long natural gas, and long ags, long miners, and short the Qs. So that's how I'm positioned, and we're gonna see how this thing plays out. Anyways, Bob from Trade Genius. Hope you guys have a great day, and check us out at TradeGeniusAcademy.com if you're interested in anything that we have to offer. The day trading money machine upgrade is now out the door. And the signals were beautiful today. It caught the whole oil move. It caught the whole natural gas move. It caught the NQ move higher. So it's a good tool. You should take advantage of it. Thanks. I'll catch you guys later. Bye-bye.